Hi, I'm Steven from One-Click LCA, and today we will be discussing the advanced end-of-life settings. One of the most important steps of your project is setting up the LCA parameters, and one of the settings you would pick there are the end-of-life method. What kind of end-of-life method we pick depends on your settings, but there are three options. The material locked, which means you get one value for all of the end-of-life emissions together. We can have the market-based, which has it separated between lifecycle stages, and we can have the EPD end-of-life, in which the manufacturer decides what the end-of-life method is. This talk will go about the market-based and the EPD end of life, which are the settings you can change on the building materials page if we are there. So first of all, we have to open our project and navigate to the building materials page, and there we navigate to the section on the end of life process. By default, it selects the most likely used end of life process, unless you have decided on the manufacturer end of life process by default, because then it will default to that. When we select the different end-of-life methods, we can see that for some we can select the manufacturer definition, but we can also select any other types. If you want to assign multiple end-of-life methods, in some cases you might have a quantity of your product which is, for example, landfilled and others will be recycled, all we have to do is just split the material and assign them end-of-life methods accordingly.